Hi everyone and welcome back to Let's Review It for another Panigale video, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the most cost-effective ways of improving the looks of your Panigale by removing the standard tail tidy. As you can see, we have gone for a Powerbronze tail tidy picked up on eBay for 115 quid. Bargain, link in the description below. On unpacking you can see that it's a good quality product and it comes with all the right fixings and mountings, including a tail light and a reflector. Firstly, remove the rear bodywork by undoing the two Allen key bolts on either side of the rear seat unit. Next up, there are two Allen key headed bolts that hold the tail tidy to the bike, and a further four bolts that you'll need to undo on the tail tidy itself, which allows you to split it in half and remove the wiring. You'll need a special tool to do this, which you can see in the clip. With all the bolts removed, you can now split the top and bottom halves of the existing tail tidy, and you'll find that the indicators will just drop out. Now you can access the wires for the number plate light and the indicators, and you'll see there are some connectors that you can unclip, thread the wiring back through the lower half of the tail tidy and remove. To remove the upper half of the tail tidy, you'll need to push down and towards the front of the bike, and you'll notice that some spacers will drop out. Save these because you'll need them if you ever want to put the bike back to standard. So now it's time to assemble your new tail tidy, and we definitely recommend following the instructions and that you leave everything hand tight until you're ready to fit it to the bike. We've chosen to use the existing indicators, and first you'll need to remove the existing Allen key bolt, as you can see here. This will later be replaced once you bolt it to the tail tidy. So threading the wires back through the new tail tidy, we will now replace the Allen key bolt that we just removed with some new bolts that are provided within the Powerbronze kit. So now you should have something that looks a little bit like this. Provided in the Powerbronze kit is a nice LED tail tidy. It's a good quality and is fitted by simply pushing the wires through the hole cut out and bolting on using the bolts provided. Next up, you're going to need to reconnect the indicators using the push fit clips and also the number plate light. Make sure you test these with the ignition on to make sure you haven't got the indicators the wrong way around, otherwise you're going to find yourself taking it all apart again. Next comes the tricky bit, and that is holding the wires in place whilst you push the actual tail tidy back on. It has to go between two rubber grommets, which can be a little bit difficult. Once you're satisfied that the wires are in the correct place and your tail tidy is situated correctly, you can use the provided bolts to bolt everything together. The final piece of the puzzle is a plastic shroud that covers all the wires, and no, it's not damaged like I thought it was. It's in fact just covered with plastic. Idiot. Now to drill the holes in your number plate, and the first thing that I always do is cover it over in a little bit of masking tape. This helps to prevent fracture when you're drilling. Offer the number plate up to the tail tidy and mark using a pen. Flip the number plate over and you'll be able to trace the lines round to the front. This will enable you to find the best place to drill the hole. You should take some time to consider where you'll need to use a black and a yellow bolt. Get it wrong and a black bolt will overhang the yellow section and look stupid. Start to drill progressively by using a small drill bit, slowly easing up to the largest size. Otherwise you could crack the number plate and waste all of your money. All in all, Powerbronze's tail tidy definitely offers the best value for money in the marketplace. £115 versus £190 from rivals like R&G, and the quality definitely isn't lacking. Easy to put together, and let's hope it lasts. Take care, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe and all that other wonderful stuff. And check out our other Ducati review videos. Take care.